that now we are going to learn the very important thing, that is factorization of a quadratic polynomial. Always quadratic polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, right? But here I have taken x square plus bx plus c. Suppose here the variable power is highest power is 2, then that is called as a quadratic polynomial, as you know that one. So we have to take, we find two integers p and q such that p plus q is equal to b and p into q is equal to c. It means we have to find two integers p and q such that the sum of this p plus p and q will be b and the product of p and q will be c. Let me prove this one. X square plus bx plus c, that it can be written as x square. Here I have taken b as p plus q into x plus p into q, right? So now this will be x square plus px plus qx plus p plus q. Now I have taken common from here x, so it is x plus p, and this one is q, taken x plus p. Now x plus p is common here in these two terms, and this is x plus q. Now you have got the factorization of this, right? So similarly in question also we have to find two numbers. Okay, we have to find two numbers, then the sum of their two numbers will be the coefficient of x, and the product of the two numbers will be the constant. Just I am giving an example. So I have taken x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, x square plus 5x plus 6. So here b is 5 and c is 6. So we have to find two numbers. Then their product will be 6. Okay, so we have to factorize 6. 6 can be written as 1 into 6, but 6 plus 1, 7, right? So we have to take 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 also 5, right? So we have got two numbers, that is 2 and 3. So this is x square. You have to split this term. This is 2x plus 3x plus how much? 6. 6 is 6. Okay. So now take common here, x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus. So now x plus 2 is common in both, and this is x plus 3. This is the factorization of this. This is the factorization of this. Okay, suppose I have taken this one in another manner, that is suppose x square minus 5x plus 6. In place of plus, here it is minus. So here what will I take? Look, we need minus 5. We need two numbers. When we add them, we will get minus 5, and when we multiply them, that is we will get how much? Plus 6. So definitely both the numbers, if both the numbers will be negative, then the product will be positive, right? So I have taken minus 2 into minus 3. So it will be minus plus 6, and I have got minus 2 minus 3. The answer is also minus 5. So similarly here also you will do x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. So now take x as common here, x minus 2. So minus 3 as common, x minus 2. So now this can be written as x minus 2. So this is x minus 2. Okay. So this symbol here, what is the sign is here, that is also important. That is also important. Okay. Another thing. Another same question I have, but I am going to change the symbol. Little bit going to change the symbol. Look, suppose I have taken x square minus 5x, x square plus 5x, so x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, x square minus 5x minus 6. Now we have to find two numbers. Their sum is minus 5 and the product is minus 6. So if we multiply two negative numbers, suppose minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6 now. So we can't take this one. So these two are not, we can't take these two numbers now. So find the factors of 6. There is 1 and 6. If I take minus 6 plus 1, then minus 6 into 1 minus 6 I'll get, and minus 6 plus 1 also I get minus 5. Now take what? We got the numbers minus 6 and 1. So x squared minus 6x plus x minus 6. Right? So this is x into x minus 6 plus 1 into x minus 6. So now x minus 6 is common in both the terms. This is x plus 1. So as per the symbol, you have to choose the number. It is not necessary that always here the factor of 6 is 2 is 3. Here the factor of 6 I have taken, that is 1 and 6. Right? So as per the question you have to do. We will do more question on it. Let me erase this one. Okay, so I have written some other questions on the basis of that quadratic polynomials. Okay, here look at here. Whenever there is a coefficient of x square, in all the cases coefficient of x square is there. In the previous case that is x square plus 5x plus 6. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. No? So 1 is not written, it is hidden. That's why I have not written. So 1 into 6 is 6. So we have to just find two numbers. That is multiplication of two numbers will be 2 into 21, that is 42. If we multiply that two numbers, we have to find two numbers. If we multiply that two numbers, then we will get 42 minus 40. Sorry, minus 42. And if we will add that one, then we will get plus 11. This is the thing. Okay. So what is the factor of 46? 7 6 is 46. But 7 plus 6? No, that is we cannot get 14 3 that. 14 into 3 we will get 42. But here plus 11 is there. So this will be plus, this will be minus. Right? This will be plus, 14 is plus and 3 is minus. So we have got our number, that is minus 14 and plus 3. So we have to split that one. 2x square minus, sorry, plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. Right? So now we take common 2x. So here x plus 7. If we take common from here, so it is 3, that is x plus 7. So now x plus 7 and this is 2x minus 3. This is very important type of question. Whenever coefficient of x squared is visible, that is more than 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you have to add this number, multiply this number and last number. That is our multiplication or product. And addition is same, that is 11. You have to find two numbers, then the sum of that two numbers will be 11 and multiplication of the two numbers is 2 into 21, minus 21, that is minus 42, right? Here also two numbers are given. Look, coefficient of x square is given 9, coefficient of the constant term is given 8. So we have to multiply two numbers, then we have to get, that is 72. Okay, that we need 72 as multiplication and minus 22 as addition. Okay, so this number is positive, but the addition is negative. So we have to find two numbers, two negative numbers. Then negative numbers multiplication is positive and addition is negative. Okay. So first of all we have to find the numbers. Okay, 9, 8, 72. What is the factor of 72? If I will take 18 and 4. 18 for the 72. If I take minus 18 minus 4, minus 18 for the minus plus 72 we get, and if we add these two, then I will definitely get minus 20. So we have got the number. So this will be 9x square minus 18x minus 4x plus 8. Right? So this is 9x, x minus 2 minus 4 into x plus, x minus 2. So 9x, x minus 2 minus, sorry, this is common factor is x minus 2 in both the numbers. This is 9x minus. Nothing to do, just you have to factorize this multiplication, then you will definitely get the numbers. That is the thing. दो नंबर हमको ढूंढना है जिसको कि ऐड करेंगे तो बीच वाला मिलना चाहिए और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट को जो मल्टीप्लाई करने से जितना मिलना चाहिए दैट वन. ओके, बट ओके, अनदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. 42 minus r minus r square. Okay, so first of all you have to write the power, first power, i's power as first, r square minus r plus 42. Okay, here we have to find two numbers. Whenever we multiply them, then we will get minus 42, and add them, then we will get minus 1. So 7 and 6. 7 minus 1 is also how much? 7 minus 1 is minus 1. No? If I take minus 7, this one, minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1, minus 7, 6 is minus 42. Okay, so we have got the number that is minus r square minus 7x, sorry 7r plus 6r plus 42, right? So if we take minus r as common, here r plus 7, here 6 is common, r plus 7, this is r plus 7 and minus r plus 6, this is the factorization. Or you can write like this, 7 r plus 7, this is 6 minus. Okay, so this is factorization of quadratic polynomials. Some other questions are also given. You will do some question from book. If any doubts, then write in comment section. Okay.